What we know is a drop, what we don't know is an ocean. Isaac Newton, 1642–1727, was an English mathematician, physicist, astronomer, alchemist, theologian, and author. Made contributions to optics, developing calculus, formulated the laws of motion and universal gravitation. Newton used his mathematical description of gravity to derive Kepler's laws of planetary motion, account for tides, the trajectories of comets, the precession of the equinoxes, and eradicating doubt about the solar system's heliocentricity. Newton built the first practical reflecting telescope and developed a theory of color. Nature is our kindest friend and best critic in experimental science if we only allow her intimations to fall unbiased on our minds. Michael Faraday, 1791–1867, was an English scientist who contributed to the study of electromagnetism and electrochemistry. His main discoveries include the principles underlying electromagnetic induction, diamagnetism and electrolysis. Due to his efforts that electricity became practical for use in technology. The unit of electrical capacitance is named the farad in his honor, with the symbol F. I have looked into most philosophical systems and I have seen that none will work without God. James Clerk Maxwell, 1831–1879, was a Scottish mathematician and scientist responsible for the classical theory of electromagnetic radiation, which was the first theory to describe electricity, magnetism and light as different manifestations of the same phenomenon. Maxwell's equations for electromagnetism have been called the second great unification in physics, where the first one had been realized by Isaac Newton. Maxwell demonstrated that electric and magnetic fields travel through space as waves moving at the speed of light. The unification of light and electrical phenomena led to his prediction of the existence of radio waves. Maxwell is also regarded as a founder of the modern field of electrical engineering. His discoveries helped usher in the era of modern physics, laying the foundation for such fields as special relativity and quantum mechanics. I grow increasingly aware, and in more ways than expected, that I am at the center of my own field. And whether it be folly or wisdom, it is a very pleasant feeling. Heinrich Rudolf Hertz, 1857–1894, was a German physicist whose discovery of radio waves, which was widely seen as confirmation of James Clerk Maxwell's electromagnetic theory and paved the way for numerous advances in communication technology. The unit of frequency, cycle per second, was named the Hertz in his honor. If you want your children to be intelligent, read them fairy tales. If you want them to be more intelligent, read them more fairy tales. Albert Einstein, 1879–1955, was a German-born theoretical physicist, widely acknowledged to be one of the greatest and most influential physicists of all time. Einstein is best known for developing the theory of relativity, but he also made important contributions to the development of the theory of quantum mechanics. Relativity and quantum mechanics are the two pillars of modern physics. His mass-energy equivalence formula, E equals mc2, which arises from relativity theory, has been dubbed the world's most famous equation. In my view, all that is necessary for faith is the belief that by doing our best we shall succeed in our aims, the improvement of mankind. Rosalind Elsie Franklin, 1920–1958, was a British chemist and X-ray crystallographer whose work was central to the understanding of the molecular structures of DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, RNA, ribonucleic acid, viruses, coal, and graphite. Franklin is best known for her work on the X-ray diffraction images of DNA. However difficult life may seem, there is always something you can do and succeed at. Stephen William Hawking, 1942–2018, was an English theoretical physicist, cosmologist, and author. Hawking's scientific works included a collaboration with Roger Penrose on gravitational singularity theorems in the framework of general relativity, and the theoretical prediction that black holes emit radiation, often called Hawking radiation. Initially, Hawking radiation was controversial. By the late 1970s and following the publication of further research, the discovery was widely accepted as a major breakthrough in theoretical physics. Hawking was the first to set out a theory of cosmology explained by a union of the general theory of relativity and quantum mechanics.